Hello everyone, my name is Tyrone, owner of OishiFC LLC, and today I'm going to show you how to make Oishi Fried Chicken two ways. As you guys may or may not know, we have an assortment of spices that we sell over at OishiFC.com. Today's highlight though is going to be the spicy. The part of the chicken we like to use the most for our fried chicken over here at Oishi is the thigh, so that's what we're going to be using today. And as stated before, we will be preparing these thighs two ways. We'll be preparing them in a battered fry, and we'll also be doing a breaded fry. Now, we kind of bounce back and forth over here between which one is our favorite. I tend to favor battered a little bit more than just the floured. It's just my personal preference, but I'll leave it up to you guys to decide what your favorite is. For the batter, the process is fairly simple. We're going to go ahead and season our chicken with our spicy OishiFC mix. We're also going to put a little bit of a combination of potato starch and flour into. We do 1-to-1, so you put just as much potato starch as you do flour. And then we're going to also start adding water slowly until we get to the proper consistency that we want. That consistency is going to look something like this. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, then you can also make it a little bit thicker. I decided to go a little bit thinner for this one, but it's completely up to you how you want to go. Just add enough water, flour, and seasoning to the point to where you get it to the consistency that you like for your battered chicken. That could really vary depending on what you're looking for. And after it's mixed well, you're ready to go ahead and start frying. You want to put your oil to, I usually set mine to about 325 for the first fry, and then I'll bump that up to 375 for the second fry. Some people may say that 325 is a little low for the first fry, but there's a method to the madness. So 6 minutes at 325, take it out, allow the chicken to rest for about 15 minutes, and then you toss it right back in for another 2 minutes at 375. And it usually turns out perfect for me. After you're done with the first fry, this is what it should look like. Beautiful, golden and crispy, just like I like it. It'll look even better after the second fry though, so we'll get back to that in a moment. While this is resting, we're going to go ahead and get the other one going. Now we're going to move on to the breaded chicken. So basically, in order to make the breaded chicken the way that we do here, essentially you'll redo exactly what I just showed you for the battered. The only difference is now you're going to just take that chicken that you battered before. Instead of throwing it right into the oil, you're going to now toss that into seasoned flour mix. Making the seasoned flour is fairly straightforward. Essentially, you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of potato starch, and either 2 to 4 tablespoons of the spicy OishiFC mix. The reason I say 2 to 4 is because you get to control the level of spice or seasoning that you like in your chicken. Some people like theirs very seasoned, some people don't. It depends on what you want. 2 is sufficient, 3 is perfect, 4 is probably a bit spicy, so it really depends on where you want to go. Definitely do some experimenting and see what your level is, but we went with 3. Now it's time to go ahead and fry using the same rules as before. 6 minutes at 325, let it rest for 15 minutes, and then you're going to fry it again for another 2 minutes at 375. And once it's done, it should look like this. There it is, the traditional fried chicken that you're used to, just as good, but a little bit more of a mess and 1 or 2 more steps. And after you drop both batches in to do your second fry, they should come out looking like this. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Oishi Fried Chicken cooked two ways, either battered or floured. Either way, you can't really go wrong. You can sauce it or not sauce it. It's completely up to you. You're going to have a good experience either way. Let me know over on our website or over on our Facebook page what you think of our product if you've tried it. And if you haven't, please head over to OishiFC.com and give us a try. We're definitely eager to hear what you guys think, and I look forward to seeing some of your results over on the Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.